Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about Southeast University President Scholarship, means Southeast University Scholarship 2021. So I already discussed in my previous videos, one of my previous videos about CSC Scholarship, Southeast University CSC Scholarship. But today we discuss Southeast University President Scholarship. So let's start. Type in Google Southeast University President Scholarship 2021 and click on this link: Southeast University President Scholarship 2021-2022, cscguideofficial.com. Okay, after clicking on that, you can see here is the detail about Southeast University Scholarship. Okay, and you can see the detail. So let's start. Southeast University President Scholarship, and authority is Southeast University University Scholarship. University name Southeast University. Student category: this is scholarship is for undergraduate, master and PhD students as well. Fully funded scholarship, 1000 RMB for undergraduate, and 2500 RMB for master, and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Deadline for Southeast University University Scholarship 30th of May, around about 30th of May 2021. So you want to apply, you must apply as soon as possible. All international students can apply, and age limit for undergraduate 25, for master 35, and for PhD 40 years. You can apply on the basis of English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Okay, and now how to apply for Southeast University President Scholarship. First, you fill Southeast University University online application form, and click here to apply fill online form, and after that upload all required documents on online portal. These are the required documents. I'll also tell you in this video, don't worry about this. No need to send hard copies, no need to pay application fee. Result will be announced at the end of July. Okay, now which documents required for Southeast University Scholarship. First, you fill Southeast University online application form. Click here. This one and this one is the same. And highest degree transcript, highest degree certificate, notarized copy, and transcript of highest education, notarized copy, research plan, research proposal, not less than 800 word, and do recommendation letters by associate professors and associate professors, not for assistant professors and lecturers. And photocopy of passport, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Acceptance letter, if you have, it's not mandatory. Acceptance letter is not mandatory, it's optional. Click here to download the acceptance letter format if you have. If you have acceptance letter, then it's okay. And if professor says send with the acceptance letter format, then download this acceptance letter format and send to your professor. Okay, a CD of your own works, if for our students only. Certificate of no criminal record, and click here to download the Southeast University application form. It's not mandatory, but you can click here to download the application form and upload it on other supporting documents in university online application portal, Southeast University online application portal. So I'll also tell you in this video about documentation, upload documentation in online portal, so don't worry about this. After that, we will go to the online portal. Click here to download, click here for professor detail, and you can see here is the detail about professors, majors, different mechanical engineering, and these kind of things, all these things. Okay, and now go back. So you can also check how many students they select last year, university scholarship, first batch, second batch, and third batch. Okay, these are batch means groups, first group, second group in the same year 2020. Okay, now click here to go to the university portal. Now after clicking here, you can see here is the portal after signing up, and you can see the theme like this, and then you can see the desktop screen like this. Click online application, and after that you can confirm I have read the agreement to the regulations, and click on master students. So now you can check this application is for CSC Scholarship, Southeast University Scholarship, Jiangsu Provincial Government Scholarship, and Nanjing Municipal Scholarships students. So don't worry about this. If you think that here is not available option for Southeast President Scholarship, Jiangsu Scholarship, and CSC Scholarship, then which one we select? So you can select this one. If you are doctor students, maybe this is for all doctor students as well. So that's why it's for same. Maybe, but it's for master students and PhD students, because they mention on their official advertisement that this is for PhD students as well. So that's why this is for master and bachelor students as well, or all kind of students. Okay, now especially for master as well. So I click on this option and click on the English major. After that, you can see here is the major which they offer for scholarship under CS scholarship, university scholarship, and other scholarship in English. Okay, I click on the school, architecture school, and no, if you can fill this form. If you don't have any idea about this form, you can go back and click here and watch the video. Now I go back and just give you and just show show you which documents you need to upload on university online application portal. Click on view, and you can see here is the document upload section. Passport photocopy, you have to upload just passport photocopy enough. The visa pages with photo and visa, if you don't have any, then leave it. Officially certified certificate of IS diploma, the previous stage of transcript, 2 recommendation letters, and valid report of Chinese card, means English proficiency certificate, and a study plan and physical examination form. If you have a research plan, then you can upload it. It doesn't matter that you must need to upload a study plan. But if you think that but this is for PhD students. If you are a master student, then study plan is enough. Physical examination form, no criminal certificate record, acceptance letter, this is not mandatory. When you fill the form, then you can see in these options a red option means mandatory option is shown, but will shown. But in this case, in acceptance letter case, it's not mandatory. And in other supporting documents you need to upload, like if you want to upload Southeast University University online application form and other achievements, records, certificates, then you can upload those documents in this section, like you have publications and these kind of things. Okay, now this is the thing which you must keep in mind. Okay, now the main thing that student confused, what we type in financial supporter. If you need to type your father information, guarantor information, as if you as any of you. But the students think that if we apply for university scholarship, then what should we type, or which thing is better for you, for you as well, for them. So guarantor name is, if you want to type university detail, then you can type guarantor name Southeast University Scholarship, and guarantor address is Southeast University address, which is available on Southeast University International College website. Guarantor tell also available. Relationship with applicant, scholarship provider organization Southeast University, and email is also available on Southeast University international office. So I will click on this Southeast University Scholarship. So after that I'll show you these details on Southeast University official website. So here is the detail about that: phone number, Southeast University phone number, Southeast University email address, and this is the address of Southeast University. You can type this information on Southeast University portal. So if you want to type guarantor information, same, you can put the same detail here. But if you want to put your father information here, then you can do this. But it's not mandatory, it's optional, because everyone knows that you can apply for scholarship. Your application will be considered as a scholarship candidate. So good luck. Hope so you can get the information which I want to deliver to you, and other things like faculty, department leaks, acceptance letter, you can try to get here. So if you want to get other scholarship like presidential scholarships and just online university scholarship and all these things, you can get this thing here. Good luck and take care of yourself. We met you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.